This is Rashid, and from today we are going to start a brand new series. And in this series, we will concern with the basic tutorials, the basic things of MS Excel, and this playlist will be very beneficial for those persons who doesn't know the ABC of MS Excel. So it's a demo video, and I would like to inform you that you can download this file from www.facebook.com/my-etutorial. You can download that file from there, and for practice purpose. And one more thing, that is you have to just subscribe my channel, and you have to give me the feedback. So it's a demo video, and let's meet in the first tutorial, and we will start from the beginning, and we will go to the end. So thank you so much for today, and not for today, for this tutorial, and see you in the first tutorial. Thank you.